Hey guys, welcome to UNILAD Adventure. This week we're discovering the beautiful country of Slovenia. It's a great destination to visit during the Christmas season, with everything from the best wellness spas in the world to vast photogenic landscapes. Now before we get into things, let's just make it clear that we're not from Slovenia, so if we mispronounce any of the place names in this video, we sincerely apologise. But with that said, let's get straight into it. This is why you need to visit Slovenia. Explore Ljubljana's historic old town, built on the picturesque river canal. The charming little capital draws 1 million visitors to its lovely restaurants, bars and cafes. Ljubljana is very compact, and the unique architecture here means you can easily spend a day exploring this impressive city. When the sun sets, the city comes alive, especially at Christmas, with stunning light displays and live music creating an unmissable atmosphere throughout the centre. Time to see the city from a different angle. Get cozy on boat Ljubljanka, cruise along the river and see this stunning historic old town while enjoying some mulled wine. It makes for an amazing photo opportunity. Take a wander away from the main streets and finish off your night at Monstera Bistro. This cozy restaurant was started by famous Slovenian chef Bina Volčić and delivers amazing food. Discover the peaceful Terme Olimia, voted Slovenia's best wellness centre 9 years in a row. Known for its unorthodox Eastern treatments like gong therapy, it's the perfect place to sit back, unwind and experience a sense of complete serenity. This is a great place to visit as a couple, but if you're coming as a large group, there's also a number of fun activities to keep the whole family entertained, including a pool for kids and water slides. Alternatively, try the iconic thermal spa at Rimske Terme. Perfect for couples, this luxury hotel in the heart of Slovenia has more than 2,000 years of history. Head over to the magical Lake Bled, one of the most photogenic landscapes in all of Europe. Board a traditional Pletna boat and experience true tranquility as you head out to Bled Island. Home to the church and the wishing bell, this is the most recognisable symbol of the lake. After you climb the 99 steps to the top, treat yourself with some Slovenian cakes. If you're superstitious, make a wish and ring the bell inside of the church. Stay until the evening and you can watch Lake Bled Castle light up over the Christmas markets. These markets are quite small, but it's the perfect place to grab a hot drink, sit by the fire and enjoy the atmosphere. Then there's Predjama Castle. This stunning medieval castle offers an unforgettable experience. Enter this mysterious realm and discover how knights used to live. "20 minutes away, you'll find one of the most famous caves in the world. Postojna Cave is Slovenia's greatest tourist attraction, and it's over 4 million years old. Board a train and explore 24 kilometers of underground passages, galleries and halls. At the end of the train ride, there's a short walk to explore the underground world. During the Christmas period, you'll be able to spot live actors reenacting the Nativity. This awe-inspiring setting is the perfect way to experience a one-of-a-kind magical atmosphere. People travel from all over the world to try Slovenia's famous healing water. Sourced from the springs of Rogaska Slatina, it's known as the world's healthiest water because of its high levels of magnesium. This unique feature attracts athletes, celebrities, and politicians worldwide. Even Vladimir Putin's been over to try it. That's all we have time for this week, but we'd love to hear your thoughts on Slovenia in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more of the best travel tips and videos from around the world.